Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today is just explaining why I've installed CachyOS and I've moved away from Nobara. So my original, or most of my gaming has been on Nobara. So I've decided to go to CachyOS. It's just because I like it. I did try it for a while. I did another video on it. I can't remember if I uploaded it or not, but this is going to make up for that. But I just love the way CachyOS is as a distro. Anyway, so this first video is going to be what a fresh install from the fresh Cachy install. So it's going to have the bare minimals in it, all the way out to installing Steam, installing Lutris, putting Battlenet on, installing Battlenet, experimenting with different things. So it's all learning curve. So I'm learning, and we're doing it together. So what I'm doing, whatever I've been doing on the screen, is just raw, no help, and that's it. So it's going to be a 3 or 4 part video. I'm not too sure. It's going to be this one. So it's going to be the fresh install of everything with Battlenet. Next one's going to be installing other games, which is be video 2, which will come out in the new year. Video 3 will be just a quick short one of making life easier for gaming, like remaps, fucking remapping your keybinds, lights for your computers if you got RGBs, all that stuff. That's it for that one. And then the next one after that will just be for like students who just want to get away from Windows. So it's gonna have like an office GIMP, and all that stuff, like everything you need, including video editing. So yeah, guys, remember, hope this helps. Remember to like and subscribe to the video, comment below, and I'll try and answer as many questions as I can. If I can't answer them, I'll do my best to point you in the right direction. So hope you enjoy the video. So this is a fresh install, nothing's in. So you can see there's nothing in, system multimedia, development, all apps. It's just bare bone, CachyOS. And what we're going to do is choose how we put everything in for my gaming. So I already put OBS in because I had to make sure my system was updated. So what we're going to do is open up our kernel. Console, I mean. Kernel. Alright, so first thing you do is when you got your fresh install, sudo pacman capital SYU. That's your update. Just make sure you're all updated. If you put your correct password in. Alright, so it'll say everything's up to date because I already did it. There we go, nothing to do. So that's it. So that's everything's updated. Alright. So now what we're gonna do is put in Steam. So we're gonna do sudo, not Steam, yeah, Steam. Pacman capital S. I think it's just called Steam. I'm not sure. Let's figure this one out. No, that's not it. Steam desktop. Oh, I'll put stream. Sudo, learn the spell rock. Steam. Alright, then we click yes. That's going to install Steam and it's all its repositories. A big word. Alright, so that's done. So now we're going to look up. Well, we'll just load it in here. STAM. Alright, let's have a look. You can download everything here. That's installing everything. There is the other way, which is I'm going to show you how we do using putting all the Proton stuff in. So there's Steam. I'll just log in. There we go. On in. There we go. We're in. So that's steaming, right? So what we're going to do too now is make sure that we have all our libraries. What's up, my boy? Hi. What's up, mate? So go all here. We're gonna do we got First Descendants and all that. I need to put there's a couple of games. What I'm gonna do is do the install of games in different videos for each video. Today is this. We got Ascension and we got Ashes Creation. We got Final Fantasy. We got everything. What I want to have a look first is to make sure that all the protons went in automatically, or all the yeah. So everything's in for Proton. That's all good with Steam. Now we're gonna load in. Gonna install Lutris. We'll wait for that to close down. New tab. Do Pac-Man S. Lutris. Alright, one. We want the number one, so we'll go number one. That's the default, and then we'll put the repositories in number two. So redo it. Pick number two. Done in it. Let's go one. Gonna install everything now. It's done. Lutris. There we go, she's up. Just let Lutris do its thing, and we'll speed this up. Okie dokie, so that's done. So that's Lutris installed. Okay, so that's everything installed. We'll make sure that we got our, go to our settings here. Make sure what we, double check to see what we need to put. Okay, doing this is like the easy way for you guys so you can see. There we go, runners. Scroll down. So you see wine. Wine. Wine runners. That's the wrong button, wasn't it? There we go. So then you got this one in. So we're gonna want the other ones. I'll show you how we do that. Because that's good for like older games like all right. Now it is away. Load it up. Have a look. I can't remember. So you go to the cache hello. All right, whoops. Where'd that go? Yeah. We're back here. We'll go to cache hello. This is the other way without using the thing. Then you can go install apps and you can look through here to see what apps got popular applications and all that. We can go games, all that, or just search for what you want. So, Proton, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. Pretty easy. And right, there's all your Proton. So you want Proton Plus, Proton Q up. I would probably go Proton CachyOS. Come on, those are, I'm reading together what these are. So capabilities to play Steam-based games online and additional components in experimental brands of extra Acacia flavors. Same thing. You can do that. I'll link that one as well. Proton T-Rex. This is like everything that I put in personally myself. And these as well, just in case. You never know, right? Click install. That'll put all them in. Put your password in. There you go. Your system's completely. Well, it doesn't. Alright, because it did that. Just go fucking close. It doesn't want to do that, so we'll go. Problem solved, guys. Just do don't worry about those ones. Simple as that. And yeah, that's it. Just go, yep, alright. Install them ones. Okay. Like I say, I'll show you guys the process of how I do everything. And then no cuts, no bullshit. Remember, guys, if you like the way I do my videos, please like and subscribe, because I see that a lot of people are watching my content and they're not giving me any likes. Even just a like would be great. Remember, it helps. So just remember that, please. It helps with the algorithm for me. All right, so that's all done. All right. Go back to Lutris. Make sure everything went in. I'll go preferences, runners. Where is wine? There is wine. Open her up. All right, so then we might need to reboot. Okay, so what we're going to do is quickly do a reboot. Okay. Back. Sorry about that. All right. We just do a quick reboot. We'll minimize that. Just get it out of here. All right, so what we want to do is put Proton first. All right, Proton. Okay, choose one. What to put in first. All right, so legacies. No. We want Lutris. All right, so what we want is add versions. Want to add Lutris wine. Got the latest. They're all the oldest ones, so it's only having the oldest. All right, so what we want to do is maybe put G in. All right, we'll put the G latest in. All that. Fine. Go back to Steam. Version for Steam. Same thing. Install G10. That's the latest version. Even though it has its own network. Now this one's experimental for me. So what we're going to do is go learning together on this one, guys. So it doesn't have the module, so put that in just in case. So that's them ones. I am learning this as I go. Go Proton again. Load up Proton Plus. All right. Oh. So you got all your flavors here you can put in. On latest for the CachyOS. Done. All right. Now, to the game side of it. So let's put one quick game in. So let's load up Lutris. Lutris. And what we're going to do is we want to put probably Warcraft in. Go to runners. They're all in. Okay. What are you? Let's try CachyOS. I've never used this one before, so let's try this with Blizzard and see what happens. Oh, Uzi. See what happens, eh? Like worst case scenarios, you can do everything. English, because that's what we speak. That's actually installed a little bit quicker than what I expected. Wait, no? Can you? We'll see what happens. If this works, we'll end it there and I'll do all my videos on how to install games. We learn together. Okay, so that installed. Looks like we might be in the good books. See what happens here. This is the just all of that, guys. Happy days, eh? So I'll end up just quickly pausing here just while I put my details in. Okay, so we're logging in, guys. Sorry about that. I just had to do what I had to do. What's up, buddy? I don't know where you put it, bud. Don't worry about it when it does this. It's normal. So that's it, guys. It's like you've done all this. I skip. All right. All right. So disclaimer, guys. What doesn't work? Call of Duty doesn't work. Overwatch doesn't work. They don't work on Linux. Give it time, though. Give it time, and they will. Everything else, as far as I know, it does. I haven't played any games on here for a while, but I know that they do work. But there we go, guys. So that's installing Cachy from scratch, Cachy, and then installing Battlenet. So, okay, exit application. All right, let this thing do its thing. All right, so just like that, do its thing. It will take a while to log. This might take a little while to log off, so we'll speed that up. Oh, actually, we didn't need to speed that up. So that's it. That's application done. There you go. Install Blizzard, click play, bada bing, bada boom, job done, it plays. Okay. That's how you do it. So use the CachyOS runners, not the wine for that. Okay. Problem solved. You log in, bada bing, bada boom, job done. Okay. That's it, guys. Hope that helps. I actually know that. We'll leave it like that. So until the next video, guys. And good luck with Battlenet. I hope you get your games running on Linux. Cachy. Just look at my other guides that I've done on Nobara, Mint, and Azite, or all the other guides. So this one's going to be mostly for CachyOS, sorry. So remember, guys, hit that like and subscribe button if it helped. And until my next video, probably be in the new year. Have a safe and happy new year. Hooroo.